Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
p.m. At 4:33 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain moving over the southeast half of Oahu, with the heaviest rain rates up to 3 inches per hour. Streams along windward Oahu have been showing rises in water levels. Flash flooding is ongoing. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flooding in drainages, streams, rivers, roads, properties, and other low-lying areas. Public road closures possible in some areas. Landslides are possible in steep terrain. This warning includes stay away from streams, rivers, drainage ditches, and culverts, even if they are currently dry. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of drainage ditches and streams, streets, highways, properties, and other low-lying spots.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.